Dark before the dawn, the Father's heart is broken, watching while His only Son is beaten shamefully. Here I stand amazed. He drank the cup of suffering, laying down His own life to die in agony. What a great surrender, what a great surrender, what a great surrender. He gave His life for me. His love has more than conquered. His love has paid for me the price that was demanded. Oh, my Savior, why so much for me? There upon the cross, I see the plan unfolded. Why the one so lovely was crucified for me. Even through the pain, He offered such forgiveness. All He did was love us, and how did we repay? We are now forgiven. We are now forgiven. We are now forgiven, and this is now our claim. His love has more than conquered. His love has paid for me the price that was demanded. Oh, my Savior, why so much for me? What a great exchange, grace so freely given, redemption bells are ringing, Christ has won it all. Now the dawn has come, there's hope for each new morning. All creation